What is up, Husky family? It's Ali Askew, and welcome to GoPro Hero 7 edition. I am right now vlogging on the GoPro Hero 7, and we're here in Canada, Peace Arch Park, and we're just gonna see how good this camera can really film. What is up, Husky family? I am above a tree and my feet are killing me because I'm wearing sandals and I just climbed a tree that is really high. Welcome to Peace Arch. This is where the friendship between America and Canada began. I'm not sure, history class isn't telling me anything. And I'm at the park visiting. And just take a look at that view though. Okay, I should be standing straight underneath a giant totem pole like that, and there is my tiny little baby brother Mustafa. And welcome to Peace Arch Park. This is where, that's the arch, I guess, and then we're on the Canadian side. We got the flowers of Canada. And yeah, hyper smooth, hyper smooth. Testing out the hyper smooth. Right, Hassan? Going to Peace Arch. Run, run. We have arrived. Take a look at that. May these gates never be closed. Opened. Okay. Turn it around 360. Perfect. Now bring it down. Bring it down. Okay guys, so Hassan's stuck on the tree, and all of these videos and pictures I've taken are from the GoPro Hero 7 Black. They're just my family trying to get Hassan down, but I think this is a really good camera for a vlog and everything else. It comes with 2 sticky pads, two GoPro stickers, and if you buy the gear, it's not actually that expensive. You can buy the gear for 40 bucks, 57 pieces. Pretty good deal for 40 bucks, Amazon Prime. Yeah, I'll give you some more pictures and images. Hey guys, welcome to the Peace Arch Park store, where we get ice cream and we eat ice cream. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. We have bought a new GoPro Hero 7. This is the footage it is taking right now. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe. See you later. Bye.